How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once? Here's what you need to know. Currently, TikTok does not provide a built-in option to remove all reposts with a single tap. The only official method is to remove reposts one by one. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Now, tap on the Reposts tab to see all the videos you've reposted. Next, open any reposted video that you want to remove. Tap the share icon on the right side of the screen and then select Delete Repost. TikTok will instantly remove that repost from your account. If you have multiple reposts, you'll need to repeat the same process for each video because TikTok currently doesn't offer a delete all reposts feature or bulk repost management option. If you're searching for a way to clear all TikTok reposts at once, you may find third-party tools online, but TikTok itself does not officially support bulk repost deletion. And that's it. That's how to delete TikTok reposts and remove reposted videos from your TikTok profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.